One small valve, one wrong step, and a whole plant can explode. This is not imagination. This has already happened. Today, I will explain process safety management, the system that stops disasters before they happen. If you work in oil, gas, chemical, power, or manufacturing, this video can save lives, maybe yours. Already happened. Today, I will explain process safety management, the system that stops disasters before they happen. If you work in oil, gas, chemical, power, or manufacturing, this video can save lives, maybe yours. Introduction. I welcome you all to HSE Career Hub. Today's topic for discussion is process safety management, also called PSM. Don't worry, this video is for beginners, but professionals will also learn new insights. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what PSM is, why it is critical, and how it works in real life. The question may arise in your mind that, what is process safety management? Process safety management means managing risks from dangerous chemicals, high pressure, high temperature, and complex processes. It is not about PP or slips and trips. PSM is about preventing fires, explosions, toxic gas leaks, and plant disasters. So the simple concept to remember is occupational safety protects workers. Process safety protects the entire plant, community, and environment. Now, let's see real-life example. Imagine a pressure cooker at home. If the safety valve fails, what happens?
Explosion.
Now, imagine not a cooker, but thousands of tons of gas, chemicals, and pressure inside a plant. That is why we need process safety management. Why process safety is different from normal safety. Many plants have zero accidents for years, but suddenly one day, boom. Why? Because process safety failures are silent. They build slowly, corrosion, poor design, wrong procedure, and one day they explode. Insight for professionals. Most major disasters happen in plants with good safety statistics, but weak process safety culture. Famous disasters due to poor PSM. Bhopal gas tragedy. Texas City refinery explosion. Beirut ammonium nitrate blast. All had one common problem. Process safety management failure. The core idea of PSM. PSM asks three basic questions. What can go wrong? How bad can it be? How do we stop it? The 14 elements of process safety management, simplified. PSM works through 14 key elements. I'll explain them in simple language, not textbook style. 1. Process safety information. First, know your process. What chemicals are used? What pressure? What temperature? If you don't know your process, you can't control it. Key tip. Outdated PNIDs are one of the biggest hidden PSM risks. 2. Process hazard analysis, PHA. This is asking, what can go wrong here? We use tools like HAZUP, What If, and FMEA. Example, what if this valve fails closed? What if power goes off? What if operator makes a mistake? 3. Operating procedures. Clear step-by-step instructions for startup, shutdown, normal, and emergency operations. Beginner tip. If procedures are too complex, workers will not follow them. 4. Training. Workers must understand why they do a task, not just how. Because untrained hands on a process are more dangerous than faulty equipment. 5. Mechanical integrity. Equipment must be strong, maintained, and inspected. Example, a corroded pipe is a ticking bomb. 6. Management of change, MOC. Most important. Any change, small or big, must be reviewed. Example, changing a valve material, increasing pressure, using a new chemical. Pro insight. Most disasters happen after small, unmanaged changes. 7. Pre-startup safety review. Before starting a new plant or modified process, check everything. 8. Emergency planning and response. When things go wrong, what is the plan? Example, gas leak. Who shuts down? Where do people run? 9. Incident investigation. Near miss today can be disaster tomorrow. So, every incident is a free lesson if you learn from it. 10. Compliance audits. Check if PSM is actually working or just paperwork. Beginner versus professional thinking, very important part. Beginners think. Accident happened because operator made mistake. Professionals think. Why was the system weak enough to allow that mistake? Key PSM mindset. Don't blame people. Fix systems. Why PSM is a gold skill for HSE professionals. If you understand PSM, you become valuable in oil and gas, petrochemical, refineries, chemical plants, power plants. Career tip. PSM knowledge equals higher salary plus international opportunities. Final message. Helmets save heads. Harnesses save falls. But process safety management saves entire cities. If you are serious about your HSE career, learn PSM, understand PSM, live PSM. Call to action. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe to HSE Career Hub. Comment PSM if you want a full video on HAZUP explained simply. Stay safe. Stay professional.